Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get paid hourly on DoorDash. To get paid hourly in DoorDash, you want to use the Earn by Time mode, which guarantees a minimum active hourly rate during deliveries. Here's how it works. Before starting a dash, open the app, switch from Earn per offer to Earn by Time, and you'll see the guaranteed rate for your zone. Keep in mind, you're paid only for active time from accepting an order until delivery, so waiting between orders doesn't count. The good news is, you can still keep 100% of your customer tips, plus any peak pay bonuses during busy hours. Just remember, you can decline one order per hour without issue, but a second decline will end your hourly session and switch you back to earn per offer. It's a great way to lock in steady pay while dashing smart. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.